What's up guys, today's video is on the best plastic welders. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Bainlife Plastic Hot Air Welder. Bainlife is determined to keep the product solid. Their hot air welder heating gun isn't an exception. This is a sturdy product in every way. I've used it for some time and found it to be extremely sturdy. While it's very robustly constructed, it's compact and doesn't seem weighty at all. It weighs around 3 pounds to be precise. This welding machine uses hot air to join plastic. The hot air jets will soften the location that has to be joined. The welding gun proved to be extremely effective for me. The addition of the filler rod that is professionally made helps a lot. It may not look like it, but it comes equipped with a number of accessories, making the whole package a complete welding kit that can be used in a flawless manner. For example, truck curtains, truck tarpaulins or swimming pool membranes, automobile bumpers, or even vinyl flooring. This gun can do the job and make it appear easy to use. Any panel welder will discover this tool helpful in all situations. Number 2. Geo2 Home 1600W Plastic Welder Kit. If you're in search of the most effective plastic welder for your requirements, you'll find that they are available as a kit or a complete set. Geo2 Home is able to provide exactly that and more. It provides a durable and convenient carrying case that can help arrange everything properly. Furthermore, since the case isn't too big, the compact style of the case lets you transport your equipment anywhere. The many bells and whistles welding guns can offer are meaningless if you do not have sufficient control over the device. The welding gun is a pro in this particular area and provides precise control, which results in exact heat distribution. Based on the material I'm currently working with, I can easily alter the limit of heat. The welder gun is able to operate in an operating temperature range between 30 and 700 degrees. A temperature chart can be found on the gun as well. Us welding professionals are aware that the grooving tool can improve control and permit more efficiency. The gun is simple to use and comes with more versatility compared to other tools available in the market. Number 3. Poly Welder Pro 200 Watt. The Poly Welder Pro might not seem like significant. Simply because a tool is small in size doesn't necessarily suggest that it's not efficient. This tiny welding tool is strong enough to compete with the bigger guys and, in certain instances, even beat the big guns. This welding tool made of plastic was originally designed to be used with tanks for welding in plastic. However, it can be utilized on anything made from polyethylene. The basic idea is that plastic rain barrels, water tanks as well and other objects such as canoes and kayaks are made of thermoplastic polyethylene. This product is ideal to use as a welding tool for these types of objects. I'd like to let you know that this device can be used for welding other materials too. It works well with polypropylene too. However, it requires a certain prerequisite to allow it to work. You must use the appropriate kind of filler rod that is appropriate for the job. Number 4. Master Appliance ProHeat Series. The repair and joining of thermoplastics had never been so easy for me until I bought myself the ProHeat Master Appliance Series plastic welding kit. This has helped make my work much more efficient, thanks to the purchase I made. Let's look at the reasons why I am happy with my purchase. This welding kit was specifically designed to fabricate and fix thermoplastics easily and with a performance that is unmatched by any of its competitors. The welder comes with dial-in controls which allowed me to precisely adjust the temperature in accordance with my requirements. Since the levels of heat depend on airflow, it's possible to lock the settings repeatedly to your liking. I was astonished to see the magnetic lock, which was an interesting addition. There's a display on the welder that allowed me to determine the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, both using an identical magnetic key. This is not all. You'll get several highly sought after and well-known attachments that are sure to assist you when you are working on welding. The top temperature for the power output I have gotten from the machine is 540 degrees Celsius and 1300 watts. Number 5. Geno Development Plastic Welding Kit. Geno attempted to make it easy and efficient by using their 01 to 0143 plastic welding kit. It's a bit heavy-duty with no other extra features that could be removed from the kit. It's a good thing because it reduces the problem that I carry around the clock when I am at the office or in my home life. This tool can be essential. It's an 80-watt plastic welding tool, and the iron will get hot. When I refer to hot, I mean very hot. With a ratio of 120 volts and 60 Hz maximum, The temperature can rise as high as 525 degrees. When it is maxed out, this feature makes welding fast for me. I don't have to hang around for the equipment to be in place and performing at its highest capacity. TPO, TEO and PP materials which are used in car bumpers aren't a problem for this machine. Repairing the components made using these materials is easy with this welding device. It might be difficult to believe that it's created for garage warriors, given its dimensions. However, it's true. Do not be deceived by the dimensions of Geno 01 to 0143. Although it's small, it's a pocket-sized dynamo, if that's the correct word. The welding iron included in this kit is a common multi-purpose welding rod. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.